Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 6 in the morning and we're gonna leave for Chympe. It's a cave. It's for a shoot. So yeah, I just wanna entertain you guys with some nice scenic footages. So hopefully I get a chance to vlog since it's part of my job. I don't know if I will get that chance or not, but I will try my best to entertain you guys with those good footages and let you guys know about Chympe. And yeah, so it's 6 in the morning again and we're gonna leave now. So you guys stay put, stay tuned, and just enjoy the show. Okay, see you. So we have Greg here, and if you wanna get down to business with adventure stuff, he's the man right here, right here. So first time in my vlog. Thank you, Greg, if you don't mind.
Yeah,
More.
don't mind.
See you guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're here at Mountain Krang, stopping by food since it's a long journey. Of course we need food. It's about 4 hours from here, and yeah, we are going by this car. You can see this is the kind of ride that we actually need in our line of work. So I would definitely take this in. I don't need such luxury car because this is the baby right here. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. You will be meeting a lot of people, and please have fun with this vlog. Stay tuned and I'll go anywhere. Cheers. Back guys, so we have reached Chympe, and it was not a joke to reach here. That's why I told you guys 4x4 is very important, and yeah, the worst road takes you to the best place, as the saying goes. And just stay tuned, there's more to come, and I'm gonna hit you guys with some b-roll. I hope I get a chance to shoot, because right now also we have to shoot another thing which is more serious. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm happy. How about you? Are you happy? I'm happy being here. So see you guys in a bit. One hell of a ride. Not easy to get here, but yeah, peace out, stay tuned, do not go anywhere. Cheers.